लेकिन उनका स्वागत करने से पहले हम
Municipal Market shows your close association with us and a very warm welcome to you, sir.
The President, Executive and valued members of the Nasoori Market Vendors Association, the acting CEO and staffs of Nasoori Town Council, our media partners, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Pinaka and a very good morning to you all. I'm honored and blessed to be part of your celebrations honoring this festive season of Diwali. Diwali, the festival of lights, is a national festival in Fiji, with its blessings and messages of good over evil, light over darkness. In Fiji, our beloved and beautiful island, the Festival of Light is a festival celebrating our diversity. The vibrant celebration of our life together as Fijians, no matter what our race, class, caste, creed, or color. Ladies and gentlemen, Diwali is symbolic of the teachings of all religions, the teachings of all humane education systems, and the teachings of our parents and folk. The teaching that we value and place humanity over all other considerations. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to be part of this Diwali celebration organized by the Nasoori Market Vendors Association in partnership with Nasoori Town Council and other well-wishers. Ladies and gentlemen, our municipal markets in Fiji are the life and soul of our towns and cities. As market vendors, all of you contribute towards the color, sight, and smells that makes for its unique atmosphere. Ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate and applaud all the vendors for their contribution to our towns and cities, and indeed to our nation. I know all of you work long hours and work hard to be successful in this small enterprise of yours. More than any mall or shopping complex, it is your work and contribution that makes markets like Nasoori our unique Fijian meeting place. As Minister for Local Government, it was a proud moment for me, as it was for all the market vendors and the people of Nasoori when this new complex was opened. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget, Nasoori Market is the largest municipal market in the country. I also remember being your chief guest at the Diwali celebration at Nasoori Municipal Market in 2014, as mentioned earlier on. The celebration at that time was extraordinary, as it was the last celebration to be held at the old Nasoori Municipal Market site, which had its own history over the 75 years of operation, and in 2014 having a total number of stalls of 760. In partnership, we went through the transition mode and shifted to the new municipal market in September 2015. The new municipal market has 1,650 market vendor stalls, leaving aside fish and seafood stalls. I must thank you all for accepting the transition and working closely with the Nassori Town Council in making the new municipal market a vibrant place for all. We shall see the regeneration effect on Nassori in the coming years, giving a new look and dimension to your town. The Fiji Affairs government is placing a concerted effort to promote small and medium business in towns and cities. One of the key areas of focus is the continuous upgrade of municipal markets and associated facilities for the purpose supporting small businesses set up in Fiji. The new construction and the relocation of the bus stand was an initiative of the Fiji Affairs government based on the sound policy. It is part of our overall plan to better our municipal markets and the important transport and transit hubs that are our bus stands. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, in particular to our market vendors, you all have seen the location for the new Women's Accommodation Center, and very soon there will be a groundbreaking ceremony. There is also a request from our outside vendors for an open shed, and the ministry is working on that, and very soon you will have an open shed for the people who are selling outside. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move towards the 2018 election, let me remind all of you that the delivery of projects such as this market was only the beginning under the Fiji Affairs government. As we move on, it is important for me to stress that the return to power of the Fiji Affairs government will mean that we continue to deliver change. Change that is meaningful and relevant and provide equally to all Fijians. Change to secure growth and development. Change to ensure the security of all Fijians. Change to secure the social, economic, and cultural well-being and future of all Fijians. As they say, ladies and gentlemen, seeing is believing. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate Diwali at the Nassori market here this morning, we can see in this building proof of change and delivery of that change under the Fiji Affairs government. Ladies and gentlemen, under the Fiji Affairs government, as I continue to stress, deliver change. And what we say, we mean it, and we deliver on it. And we, the Fiji Affairs Party, look forward to continuing in government. And dear friends, to continue to deliver for all Fijians for many more Diwalis to come. Ladies and gentlemen, Diwali is a happy occasion, one for family and friends to celebrate the joys of life and living. Today I see among us many Fijians with a familiar face from my past visits to this market. And it is good to see our beautiful lady vendors dressed for the occasion. Thank you. I pay special tribute to all the women, in particular those who are mothers, for the sacrifice and demanding work that you go through for the benefit of your families. As I have said before, it is you, the vendors, who give life to this place and make it lively. And judging by the efforts of your association and the vendors to decorate the market and prepare the Diwali spread for us, we can look forward to a lively celebration today. I'm honored to be invited to this function for the second Diwali, and I look forward to sharing this honor in the years to come. I once again thank all the vendors, the president and the executives of the Nassori Market Vendors Association, and your celebration partners, Nassori Town Council, and other well wishers. Ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude by sharing with all of you today the following message for Diwali. In the victory of good over evil, in the celebration of courage, may this Diwali bring universal compassion. May this sparkling festival of lights fill your home and bless our beautiful Fiji with happiness. May Diwali bring to you all joy, peace, and success. Happy Diwali to you all, Vinaka.
हमारे पास है यहाँ पर 4 या 5 अवार्ड्स हैं, कुल मिलाकर 5 अवार्ड्स हैं जो हम बारी बारी से घोषणा करने जा रहे हैं। तो पहला है बेस्ट ड्रेस। जो सेक्शन सी में है